taking charge, understanding, to call the shots. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English phrase, to call the shots. This idiom is widely used in both professional and casual settings. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it effectively in your conversations. Let's get started. To call the shots means to make the decisions or to be in charge of a situation. When someone is calling the shots, they are the ones who decide what will happen next. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from the workplace to personal relationships, and even in sports or games. The phrase, to call the shots, originally comes from target shooting and billiards, where calling your shot meant stating where the target or ball would go before taking your shot. Over time, it evolved into a metaphor for taking control and making decisions, not just in games but in real-life situations as well. Let's see how this phrase works in sentences. 1. In the meeting, it was clear that the CEO was calling the shots. 2. Even though it's a team project, Laura seems to call the shots all the time. 3. When it comes to our family vacations, my mom likes to call the shots. These examples show how the phrase can be adapted to fit different scenarios, highlighting the versatility of idiomatic expressions in English. Understanding synonyms can help expand your vocabulary. Here are a few synonyms for to call the shots: to be in charge, to make the decisions, to run the show, to have the final say. That's a wrap on to call the shots. We hope this video has been informative and has added a useful expression to your English vocabulary. Remember, idioms like this one can really spice up your language and help you sound more like a native speaker. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to practice using this phrase in your own sentences. See you in the next video.